Ito ay a garden of healthy greens with variety of lettuce, herbs, spices, some vegetables, some fruits, and dito. And take note, it is free, no entrance fee. So that's it.
Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong picture.
Hello, happy Sunday everyone. It's another Sunday and it's another laag day. Sunday is always our kumbaga get together. At saka we love to go places na kahit hindi fancy, kahit hindi mamahalin, kahit sa tabi-tabi lang, but yung mga new para sa amin. Hi again, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. And today we are here in Lola's World Garden Fresh. Oh, yan. Ito ay a garden of healthy greens with variety of lettuce, herbs, spices, some vegetables, some fruits, and dito. And take note, come and join us and magtutour tayo sa kanilang greenhouse sa mga lettuce area. Ayan. Madami pa to. Parang 9 ata itong ganito. Morning to. Oh, wow. Lettuce. Oh, okay. Lang. Una ko din. This is the greenhouse. Oh, look at me. Ayan. Iikutin natin, guys. Walang. Naubo kasi ako. Ini Lola's World in Aluran. It's free at sila pa din ang nagsabi na, ma'am, i-video nyo kami, pwede nyo kami itag. So, ganon, para daw ma-advertise. And, nasa highway lang sila sa malapit dito sa amin. They open every day. Sabi nga nila, kahit 6 a.m. andyan kasi meron naman daw nandyan na caretaker. Sir, tagpila sir, tulo 100.
Yeah.
Tag 25. Sige, lakaw. Pwede. Doon ayaw saglakaw doon kay magpa-picture tan kitang tanan. Dali, iya. Garbanzos. Naigagmay dire Wow, maliit pa. So they're still growing. Yan, grabe. So this is the second greenhouse. Maliliit pa. Mga bagong tubo pa yan. Ayan. Gagmay pa ang nadiri. Gagmay pa. Mag-reels ka. Picturean ka, kagatindog ka diri. This is the pipino area. Pero kakatapos lang daw tong nag-harvest. Dadan, ang haba naman. Wala nang bunga. Ayan, kaka-harvest. Ayan, maliliit pa. So that's it. Ay, grabe. Yan. Hanggang dulo pa yan. Nasa kalahati pa ako. I'm just in the middle. Hindi na sila sumunod kasi they're busy in the talong. Ako, bayad. Pagkape na ng saging. Dungan man jud. Muna gyud ay tinuod ay nawa na mag-offer. May mo palit. Kaon di po ka na yan? Kato bitong naa si Ching, daghan kay to siya bungang naanhian. Mo to yang giingon day mi dapat hapon mo anhi. May pichay, basil and spinach. May aranggula pa dito. So for those, ayan oh. So that's it. It's no entrance fee pero dahil nagsuri-suri ka is better nga palit na lang no. And the lettuce is 100 per kilo. Ano? 25 pesos. I have to check what's in here. Basil, sweet basil, nay pichay. So it's we're here, we're done, and okay ra. So, we decided to have our lunch at Chowkings. Kasi favorite ni Mother yung mami, wonton mami. Si Mother kasi is ayaw niya na laging nagstay ba sa bahay kasi daw nakakatanda. Tagal nang nag-retire ang mother ko. So, sanay siya na everyday umalis, everyday nagbibihis, everyday bumabiyahe sa trabaho. So, ngayon, nag-retire na siya is parang hindi talaga mapakali pag nasa bahay lang. Kaya yon, every Sunday ang aming holiday. After church, mapupunta doon sa mga saan-saan lang. Tapos maglala. After that, kung may groceryhin, ayan, mamili din kami. After grocery namin, syempre medyo malayo yung napuntahan namin. Huminto na naman kami ng isang panghalo-halo. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. This is Tito Barla. Please subscribe.